Hey guys, Dan Heilman back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about a exchange that I just talked about in the last video I made that is shutting down. Basically, get your money off the exchange. They sent out emails, but I just want to talk about it real quick because it kind of ties into US regulation and some of that stuff like that. So another thing shut down by US regulation. I mean, we have a lot of news actually today, even, people in the SEC saying that the SEC is causing this technology to basically be held back, right? So let's do a quick update talking about the Bitcoin price. It's actually doing very well today. We've been in this descending channel for a while. We broke out here, and since the breakout, we're already up almost 4%. So we're cruising. I actually entered a short right here and was hoping to ride it back down to about this area here, but I had a tight stop loss. It got locked out, and then we're going back up anyways. I have longs running that I've had running for a while, so I'm actually happier going up than down, and I hold a lot of cryptocurrency, so I see a lot of people like, oh yeah, go back down. It's like, come on dude, it's time to go up. So we got a lot going on in I mean, we definitely have a change of structure, so this is great. We've basically been in this descending channel for quite some time, and we finally made a higher low instead of a lower low. They've all been lower low, lower low, lower low. This was a higher low. Now we have some more higher lows as well. All we need is some additional higher highs. If we can get above this 68,000 mark, I think our next run will go directly to the all-time high. I think once we get above this, I think what I think is most likely going to happen is we're going to come up here. Maybe we'll hit this. Let me try that again. We might come up here, we might bounce, hit that rejection, come this way. Maybe we reject off here, maybe we come back down here, something like that. That's kind of what I think is going to happen. Obviously anything could happen. I mean, we could have some crazy black swan event. We could have a million things. We could have World War III start, and all the predictions are out the window. But yeah, Bitcoin dominance is kind of been in the same spot for quite some time. It can't decide if it wants to go up or down. A lot of people are believing 60% is roughly the target, so we're already above 58%. So it may not ever go higher than this 58.6%, or it might go to 60% and start going down again. We shall see. What else we got going on here? We have, oh no, what happened to my chart? Oh no. Okay, there we go. Log chart. Here's our log chart, and this kind of just helps me see, where we're at, all that good stuff. I just drew on my chart. I must have global on. Yep, I have global on. Turn that off. Sorry about that. I made my pretty chart not so pretty anymore, so let's get rid of those. But yeah, this is what we got going on. Again, we are due for a pump, and I'm thinking that the high might be somewhere in this area over here, maybe about 230,000 or so. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Obviously, we had some other news come out, basically CPI and some other stuff, which said we're probably going to get another rate cut is basically what's happening here. So we'll probably get another rate cut. Here is the total crypto market. We have pulled out of this channel. We've come down. We've retested the 0.5 fib level, and hopefully we're going to break out from there. So that's looking good. Stock market today, what do we got going on? We are green. The stock market has not closed for the day, but we are green today. Looking good. Nice. GBTC up 6% almost. FBTC. So nice, nice seeing there. Okay, so let's talk about exchanges now. I got a email from Jumpex. I was just talking about Jumpex. So I'll put the email on the screen right now and just kind of, read what's going through here. But basically it's saying that we need to get all of our funds off the exchange. So I don't know. I think it's because of regulation, US regulation, and I'll show you why I think that. A couple posts I saw on X. But basically they're going to be closing positions on October 17th, and then November 30th, they're going to be able to withdraw. It's actually funny because I just withdrew everything before I got this email because I have swapped over to Bitunix. As I said, I've been using Bitunix. So if you want to use the only, Jumpex was, I think, the only other legal one, and now they're shutting down because of regulations. If you do want to use it, I've been using Bitunix, and it is, it does work for U.S. citizens, and it's the only leverage trading platform that I know that legally works for U.S. citizens. It has a lot of cool stuff. Use my affiliate link. You'll get some VIP access, which will give you lower trading fees. The link is always below. Helps me out, helps you out, but it definitely will help you out a lot because you'll start at a higher VIP level, which definitely will reduce the amount of fees you're going to be paying. So yeah, okay. Now let me pull up some stuff on X here. I have seen a lot of people yesterday talking about Jumpex, and basically they used to be called Fairdesk, and then they renamed to Jumpex. I will say that even the performance of Jumpex was kind of weak. It was super laggy. The prices didn't update. I kept on having to hit the refresh button. Other than that, it seemed cool and everything seems fine. You could have really high leverage, which was fun. You could have 1,077 leverage on Jumpex, which is pretty fun. But here you go. Stop trading on October 18th. For everyone who has funds on these two exchanges, you must withdraw all your funds by November 30th. The reason was North America regulation, which is making shareholders and investors nervous. I'm very surprised, but I do not expect there to be any liquidity issues if you have any money on Fairdesk or Jumpex. Withdraw by November 30th. So I've seen a lot of posts about it. So I just want to make sure that everyone's aware of this. They are definitely shutting down. So yeah. Anyways, I tried this exchange because I was looking for exchanges that you can use in America that are legal to use here. And this one was, I believe, and then now it yeah, it seems because of regulations they're done. So yeah, that's really all I have to say about Jumpex. Bitunix has been great so far. Customer support has been good. They reached out to me and got me on the platform, and I asked them explicitly because I read through the terms of service and I didn't see anything about American citizens. So I assumed everything was good. I asked them, they said explicitly, yes. This exchange it has all the certifications that America needs for trading, leverage trading. This is the only one that I've ever found. They have some cool stuff. You get welcome bonuses. You get, you know, a trading competition. So, yeah, come on in here and try it out. It's freaking sweet. I've been having a lot of fun. I personally like to use a majority of my money. I use Coinbase, but you can use any other exchange that you have in your country. I use Coinbase to hold all my spot. You can have spot on here, which is really cool. But I like to have at least 2 exchanges, if not more than that. So you could hold spot on here and market trade, but I just like market trading with smaller dollars on exchanges like this using leverage because I'm not a professional trader. I like to do it kind of for fun. And then a majority of my trading is just from spot. So I buy spot, a lot of it, and then I hold it for a year, you know, 1 to 4 years, and then I sell it. So I do kind of low volume trading with spot, and then I do kind of, you know, a lot of little trades when I like to market trade on futures, and I'll say I've been having a blast. I have Bitunix. If you don't want to use Bitunix and you're in a different country, you can use Margex as well. I have links for Margex as well in the description below, and I actually do have a copy trading account on Margex. It's Bitcoin Maxi. If you want to follow me, you can see Bitcoin Maxi. So you can follow me actually if you want to follow people on Margex. Margex is kind of a gray area for U.S. citizens. You know, I don't think it's illegal, but I'm not a lawyer. It does seem to be possibly against TOS, so kind of just use it as your own risk. Again, you know, if you want to start, just use small amounts of money in case something happens. But yeah, another one bites the dust. Now, it's been interesting because I've seen a lot of news about the SEC. Let's see if I can find this news that I saw a little bit ago, but Gary Gensler. They've basically been saying a lot of stuff like, you know, oh, dude, Twitter and X, Twitter and or I guess I'll call it Twitter/X. I mean, the memes, the crypto memes, that's why I'm on here for sure. I wish did I interact with that? Someone had a really interesting post saying that basically even the SEC is saying that, you know, they are too harsh on Bitcoin policies, and it's basically causing, you know, stifling this technology. So I wish I could find that. Give me a second. Maybe I'll try to find it, and then we'll... Here we go. You know, stuff like this. Federal court to end the attack on the SEC to the crypto attack of the SEC to the crypto industry. XRP will be the new standard. My next video is going to be about XRP and these ridiculous price guesses, price estimates. I'm going to talk about market cap in my next video, how it works and how it's physically impossible for XRP to go to $1,000 or even $10,000. Come on, people. It's simple math. I'll have a video on that next, but here we go. SEC commissioner admits that their approach to crypto has been a disaster for the whole industry. So yeah, we got a lot of stuff going on. There's lawsuits going left and right everywhere from the SEC. It's insane. The regulation here is terrible. And from what I've seen, Kamala Harris has never specifically said she supports crypto. She said digital assets. I mean, that could be stocks, right? So I comment below if I missed it. I've never seen her say she supports cryptocurrency. So I'm kind of hoping that Trump gets in office just to fix some of the SEC stuff. And I don't know if he's going to. I mean, who knows? Who knows? Maybe in the end, Kamala will come this way, the crypto way, and decide that it needs to be supported. But, a lot of stuff like this going on right now because the SEC has just been hammering crypto for frickin' so long. Is this the article? Well, I think this is it. So let me unmute my mic real quick. I think this is it.
Really a disaster for the whole industry. We have been setting...
Yeah, let's start this. This is it.
What is the SEC doing regarding crypto?
Well, I think our policies and our approach for the last several years have been just really a disaster for the whole industry. We have been setting this policy through enforcement. We've done nothing to provide guidance on it. And as a result, this is being shaped by the courts. And different courts have ruled different ways. I think what this Wells notice is, and while I won't comment on the specifics of this litigation, the Wells, what has gone on is part of a broader frustration with the fact that we have not provided interpretive guidance as to what you can and cannot do. And if you are involved in some sort of securities offering, how you register, how you get regulated as a broker-dealer, how you get registered as an exchange. Well, it's great to be here.
So what I hear is basically they just allow the courts to fight these lawsuits. There's lawsuits going everywhere for securities. But I mean, they said XRP was not a security. Now it's a security. Then it's not a security. Then it's a commodity. Then it's not a security. And there's no way for a security, I think how it works. Again, I'm no lawyer. I'm no financial advisor. This is what I think happens is basically they submit saying, okay, I need to submit this. I want it to be a security that is, I guess, approved by the U.S. government. But there's no way to apply for securities for cryptocurrency is from what I've heard other people say. So yeah, it kind of just leaves it in this gray area where it's not legal. So then all these courts are coming after people, and then exchanges, as you saw, they're like, we're shutting down because of US regulation and we don't want to get sued. Everyone's getting sued. So, people just don't want to get sued. So it makes it really hard for us to, work on developing this technology. And it's been stifled for so long now that I think governments and banks and everyone are kind of fearful of cryptocurrencies because it can't really be regulated. I mean, they're doing their best to destroy it, that's for sure. But I mean, they can't, besides saying, oh, it's illegal to hold cryptocurrency. I mean, what are they going to do? They can't take your private keys unless they come break down your house and hold you hostage with a gun to your head and say, give me your private key right now. What are you going to do? But anyways, that's going to be it for the video. I really want to talk about Jumpex and just some of the U.S. laws and regulations that's kind of ruining and stifling our area. I'm hoping that come November, maybe we get a new president. We will get a new president. Maybe the new president will support cryptocurrency and, allow it to grow and thrive. And we'll see where this new technology takes us. So I'm still super bullish. That's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and use my links below if you want to trade on Bitunix. This one is legal in America. This one is legal, but against terms of service, possibly. I don't know. I've seen a lot of people use Margex, even Americans. So I don't know. Use this one at your own risk if you're in America. Otherwise, this one is good for most of the countries. Just read the terms of service on both of them. But Bitunix, I know, does not have any countries you cannot use it that I saw. But read the TOS. And do your own research. And that's it for the video. Again, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Have a great day, everyone. See you guys.